Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, and today we're working with Florida clams. Some of my absolute favorite, and this particular dish has some amazing flavors. We're talking coconut milk, lime, and ginger. So let's get to it, huh? So let's get started on our recipe. We got our Florida clams with coconut broth, lime, and ginger. So our first step is to go ahead and take our Florida sweet peppers and get them cut up. These are beautiful orange ones and red. These are gonna add some great color and taste to our dish. Okay, let's work with our fresh ginger. I've got a nice knob of fresh ginger here, and I'm gonna use the blunt side of my spoon to peel it with. Our ginger is peeled. We're just gonna cut off the peeled portion here. And then we just kind of wanna cut it down. I don't mind larger chunks of ginger in my stuff, so it's a personal preference. It's definitely fibrous, so the smaller you cut it, the easier it is it's gonna be to digest. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut our scallions a little bit too. I like mine a little spicy, so I'm gonna add some hot chili. I got one hot chili here, and I'm gonna slice it a little bit thin. I'm gonna add these pieces whole to our broth. It's gonna give it some nice spice. Okay, we've got our pan preheated over medium-high. This is a nice heavy bottom pan with large size so it can hold all this wonderful coconut milk. We're gonna go ahead and add most of our ginger. I'm gonna save a little bit back. And we're gonna add our chilies. Real quick, we wanna get this oil nice and flavored. It already smells delicious. Now we can go ahead and add our sweet peppers and our scallions. We just want all these great flavors to start to come together. Okay, so now that we've got some good flavor in the pan and caramelization going, we can go ahead and add our coconut milk. Let that come up to a boil. All right, so we have our Florida clams. These have been hanging out in the refrigerator. They've been kept over a bed of ice, but not down in the ice, so they're nice and cold. Our coconut milk mixture is coming to a nice boil, so we can very carefully go ahead and add our clams to this broth. So for this recipe today, again, it calls for citrus in the recipe, but citrus is not in season right now, but guess what is? Tropical fruit. So in place of the citrus in this recipe, we're gonna add this incredible Florida mango. Let's go ahead and get some of these clams plated up. Now we wanna make sure we only use the open clams. We don't wanna use any clams that are still closed or not look like they're fully opening on their own. That could be a sign of a bad clam. So we want to make sure we're only using the clams that have opened within their own power from cooking, like the ones we have here. Well, we've completed our dish, our Florida clams with coconut milk, ginger, and lime. I like mine spicy, so I'm adding a little bit of chili oil here. This recipe and many other incredible recipes on followfreshfromflorida.com. Make sure you go check out our website, hit like on all those social media options, and make sure to stay safe when you're out there looking for the Fresh from Florida logo in your grocery stores.